What's up YouTube? It's your boy Timon, and today we're gonna be installing these brake light bulbs. Cause on the back of my car, one of the lights is out, so I'm gonna show you guys that real quick.
As y'all can see, that right tail light is out. The left one's working, the top one's working. It's just the right one. Alright, so what you guys will need is a Phillips head. You'll want to remove these two bolts, screws right here. Same thing. Then you should be able to take this part out. Yeah, you do have to take this out on the coupe, unlike the sedans. It's kind of dumb, but that's okay.
Switch back, but don't mind the trunk. That's all my tools and stuff. So I mean, what can you do?
Just whatever.
But let's get to it.
Now that it's popped out, you have access to your taillight bulbs. So you should be able to twist and remove it. Whole thing up.
Boom, just like that.
The little thing here, you want to push in, move it to the left, and then you can pull it out just like that. Simple, easy. And then you can go grab your new bulb. Alright, so now, once you've grabbed your new bulb, it's the same thing. You find it, push it in, twist it, bam, just like that. Simple and easy. And then you can go back over here, find the point where you put it in, and then you twist to tighten it, bam, you hear the click and you should be good.
Let's go.
So now once that's done, you can just put your taillight back in, screw it back in, and you're all set.
Alright guys, so same thing on the left side. I might as well show you since it's a pretty quick install. Oh, that guy stripped it.
Did he really?
Yep.
Get a wrench, small wrench.
Right.
Here we go. Now that's out.
Same thing as the other side.
Pull it out. And we're gonna get the
Pull it out.
It's gonna be the
Don't
light,
scratch the paint.
the light closest to the edge. Twist, pull out.
Just like
Same
that.
thing with the light bulb. Push in, twist, pull out. Easy as that.
Yep.
Same thing with that new one.
Go in, right, boom, skleet, plop,
Bam.
bam.
Right
Oh,
Lost.
I went blind for a sec.
Put it in, twist, click, bam.
Bam.
That. Simple and easy. No need for a long video.
Alright guys, so now that we installed the rear light bulbs, let's see if they hopefully are on. We should have probably checked while it was out, but I have full confidence that it should be working.
We do these things right. Yes, sir. Hell yeah. Let's go.
Alright guys, that's it for the quick install. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, learned a thing or two. Thank you guys for 500 subs. We hit 500. Let's get it. And like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys next time. Peace. Since it's a pretty quick install. Come on, Timmy, you got this. Alright, there we go, there we go.
We're out here in the rain, y'all. We dedicated. Just to help y'all.
Only in the beginning of the year, because, you know, New Year resolution.
Yeah.
Halfway through the year, I like to go fishing. Car what? Nah, we going fishing. I like to buy $500 reels, you know, that Shimano reel.
Hell yeah.
Shimano bait caster reels, you know?
Just to catch like 4 fish.
4 fish.
Out of a month. Y'all hear that? That misfire?